everybody really wants to know from both of you, I think, a little bit about automation and artificial intelligence and how they're being implemented today to improve operations.
Well, we use AI, machine learning, and automation throughout the entire process at production and growth level, so the way that we manage the level of lights, the nutrient flow, the irrigation. We decide with machine learning when it is the best time to harvest, or if there are any, let's say, problems during production. But we take this concept further. We use these kind of techniques also at the entire corporate level. And we take AI and machine learning also where typically they are difficult to filter through. So the legal department, the production department. We have a system that basically integrates the collaboration side of things with the automation side of things. Robotic process automation, intelligent process automation. We do also a large use of vision, machine learning. All the production site is governed by 3D cameras that collect terabytes of data daily, and we use it to feed the machine learning models so that they can make predictions to help better decision making at the later stages. We have literally hundreds of these robots. We have built them over the last 5 years. You can see this as an early embodiment of what we now call agentic AI. We have been sort of pioneers in this area as well. Basically, what we can say is that this is what Planet Farms at the end is all about. It's agronomic knowledge that is driven by a digital platform in order to make food which is tasty, good, healthy, sustainable, and also reliable, and as local as you can get.
So you are really saying, like, you know, when people eat salads, they think it's farming, but here it's really a technology producing food, right?
It
like
is
helping you to
improve. It's amazing. As technological as you can get. We have 4 different tech departments in the company.
Yeah,
so
without compromising on the quality.
Yeah.
That's pretty amazing.
Absolutely, the quality is the first thing that we look for.